Before you spend your hard-earned cash, make sure to do your research. In this video we're going to be covering the top 5 3D printers. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for a reliable 3D printer with a large print size for your company or school? The Creality CR-M4 might just be what you need. With a 450x450 470mm build volume, this quasi-industrial printer allows you to create bigger and more complex models with ease. Batch printing multiple parts is a breeze, saving you time and effort. The precision and reliability of the dual Y-axis linear rails ensure stability and efficiency during continuous stress. The all-metal Sprite Direct Dual Gear Extruder allows for smooth filament feeding, ideal for high-precision models and flexible filaments. With genuine 25-point auto-leveling using CR Touch, calibrating the nozzle to build surface distance is quick and accurate. Upgrade your printing capabilities with the Creality CR-M4 3D printer today. Sierra from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "I have already made multiple items. It's great." Looking for a 3D printer that combines speed and precision? The Ender 3 V3K is here to impress with its blazing fast printing capability of up to 500mm per second speed and 8000mm per second acceleration. Say goodbye to vibrations and imperfections as smart algorithms reduce ringing or ghosting while optimizing feeding flow for smoother prints. With a simple tap, the printer performs self-checks for Z offset and auto-leveling, making calibration a breeze. The sleek Smart UI offers real-time model previews and dynamic parameter graphics for a user-friendly experience. Equipped with an ultra-smooth X-axis linear rail built from durable steel, every print is precise and frictionless. Take control of your printing process through LAN or cloud connectivity, managing multiple printers effortlessly from your PC or phone. Thanks to model cooling fans on both sides, enjoy improved print quality with strong and even cooling for better shaping results. The Ender 3 Velocity is the perfect blend of speed, accuracy, and connectivity for all your 3D printing needs. The Creality K1C 3D printer is a powerhouse of a machine, perfect for those looking to take their 3D printing to the next level. With a Core Xi system that allows for speeds up to 600mm per second and acceleration rates of 20,000mm per second, this printer is 12 times faster than your average printer while maintaining exceptional print quality. The clog-free direct extruder and tri-metal unicorn nozzle ensure a reliable printing experience, especially when working with carbon fiber filaments. Auto-calibration leveling and dynamic balancing makes setup a breeze, reducing vibrations for smoother prints. Equipped with an AI camera, the K1C allows for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography during the printing process. With support for carbon fiber reinforced filaments and high-temp materials like PLA-CF and PETCF, the Creality K1C is a versatile option for advanced 3D printing projects. For those looking to dip their toes into the world of 3D printing, the Tina 2 Mini 3D printer is a top choice. This fully assembled printer is perfect for beginners, with its auto-leveling feature and magnetic platform making it hassle-free to start printing right away. The compact design of this printer makes it ideal for home use, classrooms, and offices. With its dual Z-axis rails, the Tina 2 ensures high-precision printing, making it perfect for DIY projects and crafts. Equipped with a 2.4 LCD screen and WeBuilder slicer software, offline printing using a micro SD card is a breeze. The ability to resume printing after unexpected power outages is a great bonus. Knob operation and easy filament management make this printer a perfect gift for beginners and children, adding an element of fun to their hobby. Looking for a 3D printer that's both reliable and user-friendly? The Longer LK5 Pro might just be what you need. This large-scale printer comes 90% pre-assembled, making the setup process a breeze. With a maximum build size of 11.8 x 11.8 x 15.7, you'll have plenty of room to bring your creations to life. The stable triangular structure and upgraded dual blower kit ensure that your prints come out with precision and quality. One standout feature is the resume printing function, allowing you to pick up where you left off in case of power outages or material shortages. Plus, the low noise operation and lattice glass platform make this printer a joy to work with. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or an educator looking to inspire creativity in the classroom, the Longer LK5 Pro is a solid choice for your printing needs. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.